Did you know school taught you how to be an employee, but never taught you how to get rich? Today, I'm going to reveal the 5 lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that almost no one learns in school, and that can permanently change how you see money. Here's what you'll discover. 1. The real difference between assets and liabilities. 2. Why most people are trapped in the rat race. 3. How to make money work for you, instead of the other way around. 4. The mindset shift that separates the rich from the poor. 5. The first concrete step you can take today. Stay until the end and you'll leave with a completely different view of your paycheck, your debts, and your future. Lesson 1. Assets versus liabilities. What school never explained. Your poor dad, the one most of us had, says, get a good job, save money, buy a house. Your rich dad says, the house you live in is a liability. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket. A car, a TV, even your own house, if they don't generate income, they're liabilities. A rental apartment, dividend-paying stocks, a business, those are assets. The golden rule, buy assets. Buy things that pay you. Lesson 2, the rat race. You work, you get paid, you pay bills, you go back to work. And the cycle repeats for life. School prepared you perfectly for this cycle. It trained you to be a good employee, but it never taught you how to escape it. Lesson 3, money must work for you. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich make money work for them. Every dollar you earn can do 2 things: disappear into expenses, or start generating more money. The difference isn't how much you earn. It's what you do with what you earn. Lesson 4, mindset. Poor dad, I can't afford it. Rich dad, how can I afford it? One question closes your mind. The other opens it. The rich don't avoid risk. They learn to manage it. They're not afraid to invest because they understand the game. Lesson 5, financial education is the real advantage. School teaches you math, history, and how to pass exams. No one teaches you how money actually works, how to read financial statements, how to create income systems. Robert Kiyosaki puts it simply, financial education is the foundation of wealth. Without it, money disappears as fast as it arrives. Quick summary, buy assets. Escape the rat race. Make money work. Change your questions. Educate your financial mind. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 5 lessons hit you the hardest? Or which one are you going to apply first? If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Every week, I bring you real financial education. No filters, no magic promises. Money isn't the enemy. Lack of financial education is. See you in the next video.